Hi fam, what's good, what's good? I hope that you're all well and keeping safe. I hope that you all had an amazing day. Welcome back to another one. Get to hit that like, hit that subscribe button, right? And this will literally help the channel grow, as I believe that we are one of the channels that's pushing real charting. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys is gonna enjoy this. Let's get into it. So as you guys can see, right, with my charting over here, basically the same thing, just boxed out that midnight candle right there, right, boxed out 830. We can see that we do have some nice sell side liquidity resting right over here, right? So that is a nice little area if price will find itself having a nice shift towards the downside. Just below that area, we can see that we do have a nice fair value gap lining up as well, right? So this could be a nice area to where we can potentially have some sort of an actual pushback towards the upside. You know what, maybe the news event pushing price down, and then 1530, maybe we can see some upside momentum, right? If we would have to look for some lovely longs from this area onwards, right, we don't have to risk around about 60 odd pips, which is quite a lot, right? That is a lot of pips right there. So what we can basically do to reduce it, right, we can look at this inversion fair value gap over here as well, right, where we can see price potentially heading to and then shift towards the upside. So if we would have to take price from this region right there, you know what, 40 pips, that is quite clean. So this automatically means that we have to look for 80 odd pips as an actual target for us to go long. Okay, so clean stuff. We can see that, you know what, this is our daily low. So currently this would be our daily high. So we can see that we are currently inside some sort of an actual premium area, meaning, you know what, some shorts will be nice, right? Some shorts would be nice. So all we're gonna do now literally is just scale down to our lower time frame, right? 1 minute, 2 minute time frame, and literally just monitor price over here, right? Basically just wait for our pattern to occur. And yeah, we're gonna find ourselves going long, or we're gonna find ourselves going short. In this example, I would like to see us go short. Okay, I would like to see us go short. Let's look at the DXY. Okay, the DXY is kind of pushing down, but we are inside a fair value gap over there as well, so we might push up, but let's see. Okay, 830, where's 830? Right there. So you know what, our news event is gonna come through over here, right? Our news event is gonna come through at 830. We can see that we have created this high, so I want to see this high be taken out, boom, and then I will start looking for the short. Okay, then I will find myself looking for the short. So for now, all we need to be is reactive, right? All we need to be is reactive. This is also a nice area. So now all we do is wait. Alright fam, so check this out, right? Check this out. We can basically see that, you know what, internal structure over here, we are quite big, right? With us having this high, lower high, lower high, right? Looking at our lows, low, lower low, lower low right there, right? So we are currently still bearish in structure, right? Now if I say that I want to see the high being taken out and then wait for the pattern, right, this is just simply me saying that, you know what, over here we do have liquidity, right? And what do we have there? Buy side or sell side liquidity? We have buy side liquidity resting above this region right there, right? Now obviously if I want to look for some shorts, right, this simply means that a low needs to be taken out as well. So let's say for instance we are looking at this low, right? So it needs to be something like this, right? Well, if I maybe can do it from here, so it needs to be something like that, and now I'm waiting for my my fair value gap whatsoever, and now I'm taking price short. right? Boom, just like that. Keep it simple, right? Keep it simple. So here we can now basically see that internally our buy side has been taken out, right? So this will basically be the area where we do have some lovely sell side liquidity. So we want to see price basically take out this low before we're gonna look for some beautiful short opportunities, right? In overall, I still do want to see Nasdaq rally up inside this region over here. We can call it out 15 to 70, right? I still want to see Nasdaq go inside there, but you know what, we need to be reactive upon what price is presenting to us. Okay, we need to be reactive upon what price is presenting to us. So now all I'm gonna do is just wait and be patient. Wait and be patient, guys. Keep in mind, the reason to why I'm also looking for some shorts is simply because if I can get out my FIP from my low all the way up to my high of the day, which is this candle right there, you know what, we can see that we are inside a premium area. So what do we want to see? We want to see price basically come back inside a discounted area to find ourselves looking for some potential long opportunities. Okay, really simple, guys. You know what, if you want to join us on this journey, make sure you click the link in my description, right? Join our Patreon page. Join our Patreon page. This is literally a community where you guys will find yourself taking away something, right? You are gonna take away something. I can guarantee you that. Okay, click the link in my description and you know what, get access to this community. I'm telling you guys, in the near future, we will be one of the biggest communities. Trust me. I'm manifesting that right now, right here. I'm manifesting that. Okay, so make sure you join us on this journey, guys. You know what, you are gonna take away a lot. I promise you that. Okay, boom. So yeah, now we can see that we are having some nice a push towards the downside, right? Maybe if I can get out this over here as well, buy side over there. You only look for a swing low right there. Only look for a swing low right there. So can you guys see, like, I'm not just gonna, you know what, I have one direction in mind, right? And I want to see price move in that one direction, right? Many people will most probably find themselves going long from this area over here, right? Which is not wrong. Okay, which is not wrong. They can find themselves going long. Why? Because simply price did find itself taking out a nice little high over there, right? If we're gonna look at these lows over here, price did find itself taking out these lows as well, right? So a low was taken out, a high was taken out, a fair value gap is created over there, so they can potentially find themselves going long, right? Some will find themselves going long from this last down close candle, which is serving as an actual order block. Nothing wrong with it, right? But me, Diego, I am not going to do that. You know what, I'm not gonna find myself doing just that. I want to look for some lovely short opportunities. I like that push. I like that shift to the downside. Let's see what the 2 minute has in store for us. So if this candle closed, all we're gonna do now is literally just monitor the next candle, right? The third candle. So there we can see that low is basically being taken out. So you know what, the pattern has been confirmed. Okay, the pattern is confirmed. So basically what we also can do is literally go long, well, short from this area over here as well, right? Because this area is now serving as an inversion fair value gap right there. You know what, everyone who found himself looking at this as being the buy pattern, right, they looked at this fair value gap to serve as an area of support to basically take price towards the upside. But can you guys now see that we did take out buy side liquidity, we did take out sell side liquidity right there, right? So this fair value gap in previous price is now basically serving as an actual area of resistance, which will push price back towards the downside, right? So that can be an area to where you can find yourself looking for some lovely short opportunities. Your trade will literally look something like this. Like I always said, stops at the high of the candle, which found itself, you know what, where it ended. So over here, we can see this fair value gap started from this up close candle right there. Where did it end by this last down close candle right there, right? So your stops will literally be at that region right there. Give it some nice breathing space as well, right? Give it some nice breathing space as well, where you can basically find yourself having your 1-to-2 ratio locked, just like that. Locked. You are locked in just like that. You are now locked in your actual trade, right? If you can get out that fib from the low to the high, just like that, you can see that it is just below our 50%, basically just below our discounted area, which is perfectly fine. Right, so this is basically where you need to have your trigger finger ready, right? Trigger finger ready. I'm not, guys, once again, I'm not gonna find myself taking this opportunity right here. Okay, we can see that we have a nice fair value gap opening up over there as well. So that's clean right there, right? That's clean right there. This is a news event, a lot of volatility that's gonna be pushed inside the market. You know what? I am not a fan of that. Right, so I would rather save myself. Right, from all of that. So we do have around about 1 second left. Look at that. Boom, take profit, smack. What? Look at that. Look at that. Take profit, smack. Right, and literally, guys, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, right? So that was a clean one over there, right? Marvelous trade, super marvelous trade. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. I'm out.